Awakening, a new video poetry experience, written and recited by Ken Allen Dronsfield. This poem is a standard free verse piece containing 21 lines. It follows a person as they wake up in the morning to a beautiful sunrise, and upon hearing birds chirping, they spend the day bird watching in and around their home. I hope you take the time to watch and listen to this short poem, and please, by all means, leave comments and a like if you'd be so kind. Thank you for joining me during this literary nature treat. God bless, and I hope you visit my channel again soon. So let's get right into this beautiful poem, shall we? As I open weary eyes to the sunrise, I crave the dawning, the dim daylight, that reveille, that morning rousting, the sounds of a bugle's trill, I thought. Instantaneously I was stimulated. Little peepers always bring a euphoria. Choruses forever melodiously distinct. I wondered, was that a yellow canary? The birds, an epiphany rises. The wandering wood thrush darts about, where whispers of the enchanted are heard. The scarlet tanager always seems thrilled. Distinctly, I was chirping with them all. My song with the bluebird was interrupted as a sparrowhawk garnered a wariness. I tossed its spirit against a hallelujah. My gaze always strays to a fluttering wing. The morning's finale brings a sorrow, but afternoon shall see lovely waxwings and finches. Joyously is the awakening after spring's equinox, and a mere prelude to the summer solstice.